Paper.
That's nothing.
Scissors. Chewed.
Everything's fine.
I won. This is a good beginning.
It's gonna get you.
Dominate the
Fine.
human race.
You didn't kiss Vava this morning. You didn't kiss me. A hug and a kiss and say I love you. I love you too.
You are incredible.
You be a good boy. You promise.
Thank you, Jane.
Yeah.
Friendly
You
on
promise
Facebook.
to be a good boy.
Yeah.
Dan dus maybe pa water the top.
Vava,
Yeah.
what happened?
What is it?
That's a bouquet.
Oh, that's just a test.
No, it isn't. National alert.
This is an emergency alert.
See,
Inbound
emergency.
nuclear missiles have been detected. You have approximately 4 minutes to find shelter. Communications have been severely disrupted. The number of casualties and the extent of the damage are not yet known. Stay tuned to this channel, stay calm, and stay indoors. This is not a test.
We should get to shelter. We need to go underground. That's how you survive. We
This
need to go
is
to the
not a
basement.
test.
He said stay indoors.
Yes, but they mean go down to a basement. Just being indoors, we can
This
die.
is not a test.
We need to go downstairs to the basement. I'm freaking out.
3-minute warning.
We only have 3 minutes. We're not gonna live. We're not going to make it. There's 2 minutes. Oh no. This is not okay. We're going to die. Go get TT and go to the basement. We're all going down to the basement. Why are we standing here? We should be.
He's not home.
Great, well, someone has to call him. He needs to go down to a basement. We have to go to the
2-minute
basement.
warning.
There's 1 minute left.
Puta, I want to listen to them.
They're not saying anything. This is just counting down the time till the bomb hits.
You say in case the attack.
No, this is a national emergency. We're being attacked.
No, I know.
The bomb is coming.
Say in case some maybe the. North
It's
Korea-
Russia. No, they
No.
can't do
Okay,
it. It's Russia. It's Russia.
No,
okay, no.
For North Korea. He sent
First of all,
They
we were
can't.
here. What's
Not enough
on that?
power.
Mr. Trump. He said Merry Christmas.
No,
You do that?
it's not enough power. North Korea doesn't have enough power.
No.
Vamos primeiro ouvir what they say on TV. Let's listen
1
first.
minute warning.
He said some. Oh yeah.
56 seconds. This is how much time till the bomb hits. The bomb's about to hit the ground. You want to get safe in the basement?
No, I'm going to eat now.
Tá, o gente o microwave.
Huh?
Tiro, take a plate.
Okay. What are you saying?
I'm talking to.
To take the microwave out?
No.
Oh, to make something?
Yeah.
Okay.
30 seconds.
Well, goodbye, cruel world.
15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
What channel is this?
I don't know. It just came on. It's a joke. It was a joke. It was a joke.
I know.
How did you know?
I know. But it was not serious.
Yes, it was.
No.
You believed it. Don't lie.
Okay.
It's gonna go on YouTube. The whole video. I recorded the whole.
You found the